Most people get this wrong when their Rewarded Play account gets suspended. They either panic, reinstall the app, or start creating new accounts, which usually makes the problem worse. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most suspensions are triggered by simple system flags, not permanent bans. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Rewarded Play accounts get suspended in 2026, how to check if your account can be recovered, and the exact steps to fix it without losing your progress or points. This matters because if you act the wrong way, you can permanently lock your account. Let's start with what is actually happening. When Rewarded Play suspends an account, it usually means their system detected unusual activity. This can include using multiple devices, switching VPNs, or even rapid gameplay patterns that look automated. For example, if someone like Jake installs the app, plays a few games, then logs in from a second phone, the system may flag it as risky behavior. But here's the problem. Most users assume suspension means a permanent ban. That is not always true. In many cases, it is a temporary restriction, while the system reviews your account. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first step you should always take is to check your email linked to Rewarded Play. Look for any message explaining the suspension reason. Sometimes it will clearly say, policy violation or verification required. If it is verification, you still have a chance. Next, try logging in without changing anything. Do not reinstall the app yet. If your account loads even partially, that is a good sign. It means your data still exists on their servers. Now if you are fully locked out, the next step is to contact support directly. Keep your message simple. Include your registered email, device type, and a clear request for review. Avoid aggressive language. Support systems respond better to calm, structured requests. Here is a key detail most people miss. Do not create a new account from the same device immediately. That can trigger a duplicate device flag, which makes recovery harder. Let's talk prevention for a second. Rewarded Play looks for patterns like VPN usage, emulator activity, or repeated installs. So if you do get your account back, keep your usage consistent. One device, one login, stable connection. In a minute, here's the simplest way to reduce future suspension risk completely. Stick to normal gameplay patterns. Avoid switching devices. And let the app track your activity naturally instead of rushing points too fast. So, to wrap it up, a suspended Rewarded Play account is not always permanent. Check your email. Avoid reinstalling blindly, contact support clearly, and never create duplicate accounts from the same device. If this helped you understand what is really going on, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear fixes on reward apps and earning platforms.